The waterfall at the Pigeon Forge Island is amazing. If you think so, let me know in the comments what you think of it.